Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, September 24th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And the pound US dollar came in number 3 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top down analysis on the pound dollar from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So, the trend traders have definitely been loving life really for the last several weeks. And if you've been following along with my videos, you've probably been pretty happy also. Look what happened today: one, two, three waves down, impulsive up, another entry to go long, just like yesterday: one, two, three waves down, impulsive up, go long. So, yeah, trend traders have definitely been loving life. We are at a Fibonacci level, so maybe this is going to be an area for pullback. I personally would not go short and am not going short. I am kind of hoping for more pullbacks because at the end of pullbacks is exactly where I will be looking to go long again. If it does start to break structure to the downside, the first thing I would do is put my Fibonacci retracement on here, and I would observe the market to see if it makes three waves down and impulsive up for another entry to go long. At least until the higher time frames tell me otherwise, I'm definitely still looking for longs in an uptrend. So we do have a couple things to keep an eye out for over the next 24 hours on the news calendar. Definitely been kind of Asian news this week for sure so far. We have CPI inflation data coming out this evening for the Aussie, which it is forecasted to be down. So that is definitely going to cause some movement on the Aussie pairs, I would say for sure. And then tomorrow in the New York session, we got new home sales and crude oil investments. Neither of those are really big news events at all, so I don't really expect either of those news events to really do much for the dollar. So the Aussie news is definitely the thing to look out for. But tomorrow is Wednesday, and Wednesday is normally one of the best volatile days of the week, so I think we'll see some movement either way. But anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.